Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. Today I'm going to do a little Quince haul. I know I just did a Quince haul and I can explain. So a few weeks ago, I think it was a few weeks ago, Quince reached out to me after seeing my bucket bag review and offered to gift me a few pieces. And I'm already a huge Quince fan, as you know. Yeah, I have quite a few pieces, which someone had asked me to do my full Quince collection and all the pieces that I love from Quince. And I am gonna do that because I realized I have a lot of pieces now. When they reached out to me, it was an automatic yes, because I already shopped there. And I figured this is a good opportunity to pick up a few pieces that I wanted to try, but just hadn't taken the plunge yet. And then I could do a little bit of a review for you all. So today I have 4 pieces, looking over here at them to share with you. As you know, everything on my channel is my 100% honest review. Quince didn't require me to say anything, or they didn't even say like you have to make a video or anything like that. They just offered to gift a few pieces. So awesome. Pieces that I did order, I do love so far. I haven't worn any of them out yet, but I've been wearing them around the house. And yeah, I think they're winners also. I have a sweater, a button-up shirt, and a bag, and then a pair of sunglasses. So I think what I'll do is start with the bag. I filmed the unboxing so you can see how the bag came and arrived and everything. And then I'll just kind of jump into my thoughts, my initial thoughts on the bag. Okay, so the first piece is this. It's called the Italian Leather Hand-Woven Flap Crossbody in black. Italian leather hand-woven flap crossbody in black. And so this bag is kind of a dupe of the Bottega cassette bag, and it's got a long strap which is adjustable, has gold hardware here as you can see, and it can be worn crossbody, but I think I might even punch an extra hole and extend it so that it can also be worn shoulder length. So you can see here, it can also potentially be shoulder length too, and then this little piece of the strap will just hang lower. And yeah, it's a very nice size. I'll do a bit of a try on too so you can see exactly what it looks like up against my frame. But it's a black leather. It feels pretty nice to the touch. It's not the like highest quality leather, but it feels like leather. It smells like leather. It doesn't feel plasticky or anything like that. I am gonna run over it with like a little bit of leather conditioner just to soften it up even more, because I feel like that would make it feel even more like luxe to me. And then here it has a magnetic opening. It snaps open like this. I think it's magnetic actually. Yeah, it's definitely magnetic. Very simple. And then inside the bag, oh, I have the dust bag that it came with, but inside it's just an open bag. Oh, it's very dark, so it might be a little tough to see what it looks like, but it's not lined or anything, so you can see the woven-ness of the bag on the interior. And then on the back, there's actually a removable pocket. So it's a little flat pocket. It says Quince on it. You can put some keys in there, you can put cards in there, and I love that you can remove it and snap it off. It's just 2 little snaps here. Oh, let's see if it'll focus. There we go. Okay, so I think that's a really clever little feature. It's nice that you can also, like if you do keep your wallet in here or something, or your cards, you can just take it out and run into a store if that's what you're doing, or whatever else. And then it just snaps right back into the back of the bag. So that's it. It's very simple. On the inside, it's just an open area. This is what the back of the bag looks like. Woven yet again. This is the side. And then the other side, I still have the tag on. Classic little bag. I think it's really beautiful and minimal, but it has just enough detail with the woven pattern. The stitching looks really nice all the way across. It's very even and clean. There are no loose threads or anything like that, which I love. That it's just a very tidy bag. And it looks like, and the leather looks pretty good throughout. I don't see any significant flaws or scratches or anything yet. And the only thing is, like, actually wearing it, I want to see how the structure holds up. It feels pretty structured, but I want to kind of feel it and see if it like sags or anything like that. I don't anticipate it will, but we'll see. We'll see, especially as it softens up a bit, see if it keeps its shape. So that's the first piece. Yeah, I think this one is around $100, but I'll put the price in the screen and also in the description. Okay, the second piece is another accessory. So if you saw my Quince Collection haul, the one that I just did, and all pieces I purchased with my own money, I did purchase 2 pairs of sunglasses, and I loved them like so much. And so I figured, okay, let's get another pair because I had been eyeing this one and I had almost purchased these in the first place. So again, just like my other 2, they come in this really lovely box. And you open it up. Oops. There's a microfiber cloth which fell out, and then you have the leather case, the hard case. And that has the Quince logo on it as well. And then you open this, and there's also a microfiber bag case, which I probably have laying around somewhere. And this is the pair that I picked out in this beautiful, like, translucent amber brown color. And these ones are called the Aspen sunglasses. I love them. I kind of feel like these should have been the first ones I bought. Like, between the Malibus, which I really adore, and these Aspens, I feel like these are going to be my go-tos. The Ballies that I purchased are very nice, but I don't know if they suit me, and I don't know if I'll reach for them nearly as much, but it's nice to have a black pair of sunglasses anyway. But anyway, back to the Aspens. I think that they're just really lovely. Again, very sturdy, just like the other 2, and very classic. And it's going to go great with all of the browns and warm tones I've added to my closet over the past several months. So that is a second piece. Very, very happy with this. The third piece that they gifted me is an Oxford shirt. And so if you watch my videos, you know that I love the Max style shirts from Cezanne. And I saw this on the Quince website in this blue, oversized Oxford. This one on the site is called the Organic Cotton Relaxed Oxford shirt. And this is in the blue. I got it in a size medium because I wanted it to fit kind of like my Cezanne Max shirts. And Cezanne surprisingly doesn't have a light blue like this. They have a blue stripe, which I own. They have a white, but this one I thought would be fantastic to add to my wardrobe, especially for spring and especially for work too. So I figured I would get this and then also do a comparison between this and the Max shirt, because this is significantly more affordable than the Max shirt. I think this one is around $40. So it's just a very basic, oversized Oxford, slight curved hem, buttons down the front, buttons on the sleeve. In the back you have the little hanging hook thingy, and yeah, curved in the back. Yeah, and the material feels very nice. It's a nice weight. It's not too thick or too heavy, but it's still substantial. So really like this. It's going to be interesting to see also how well I can layer this piece because it is oversized. So I want to see if it's going to be too bulky to layer or if it's still, it will be good. Okay, and the last piece probably won't be much of a surprise. As you might notice, I love sweaters, and I really love cashmere sweaters in particular. And I do have a couple of, I think I have 2, maybe 3 Quince cashmere pieces, all of which I love. And I added another one. So this is the classic cardigan in navy. Has white, like mother of pearl or iridescent buttons down the front. It's very soft. It is not cropped by any means. It's like a nice length, so it's very tuckable. And it's just a perfect shade of navy. I used to have a navy Gaspard, but the shade of navy had too much like purple tone in it that I never reached for it. But this is the kind of navy that I like to wear in the spring. So I'm very happy to have gotten rid of that and replaced it with this. And yeah, I don't know how well this particular cashmere will wear. So I'm interested to see how quickly it pills, if it sheds, that kind of thing. And I'll definitely report back. My other cashmere pieces have worn incredibly well, so I'm really hoping this one also stands the test of time. And I got this in a size small because it does feel a little bit large. Yeah, And maybe I'll do a comparison between this and some of my other cashmere pieces. So yeah, maybe. Let me know if you'd be interested in that in the comments. So yeah, that's it for all of my pieces. This is a very blue toned haul in this case, minus the sunglasses. And thank you to Quince for sending these pieces. I'll definitely keep you all updated on how they wear and how I style them and that kind of thing. I'm really excited to have brands want to send me things to review and to try out. It's pretty cool. And so yeah, it's thanks to you all. So thank you so much. Let me know if there are other pieces that you'd like for me to try at Quince, or I'm happy to, purchase them with my own money and try them out. And if there are any other brands I should also be looking out for, because I do a lot of Cezanne, Quince, Everlane. Those are some of the new brands that I tend to work with, or like when I buy things new. So yeah, let me know if there are others that are along those same lines that I should be looking out for. Anyway, hope this was helpful, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.